Hello my dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying our online classes. So, already we have completed our two new chapters in Postmeet, that is rupees and paise and jugs and mugs. And today we are going to start another chapter, that time goes on, from the chapter number 7, time goes on. Look at the picture. How funny picture it is. First picture is showing us that is a springtime, then summertime, then winter, and then autumn. Yes, these are the seasons, main seasons. So, why we are discussing seasons? Tell me why we are discussing. Because we can see that different events or different activity we are doing in different seasons. So what is time? Time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. Ongoing sequence of events taking place. So time can be measured, and it can be measured in different units also. The basic unit of time is second. And there are also minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. We can measure time using clocks. I will show you now different types of clocks which we can use in our daily life to measure the time. So what is time? Time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place. So let's see. Now from the picture you can easily understand that these are the instruments of measuring time. But now I'm not going to tell you the name of the instruments. You have to tell me which kind of instrument it is, and you have to tell different types of names of the instruments. Now my dear students, look at the given picture. Now we are going to learn about daytime and night time. So we know that the time between sunrise and sunset is called daytime, whereas the time between sunset to sunrise is called the night time. Sunset to sunrise, night time. So from the picture we can easily understand that top of the page the picture is given a sunset picture, and the bottom of the page the picture is given a sunset picture. The top of the page the picture is given sunrise picture, and the bottom of the page it is given sunset picture. So from sunset to sunrise it is called daytime, and the time between sunset to sunrise is called daytime, and sunrise to sunset it is called night time. The total duration of the daytime and the night time makes a day. The total duration of the daytime and night time makes a day. Okay, so this way you can understand that what is day. Now we need to know the relationship among different units of time. So 1 day equals to 24 hours. That means 24 hours makes 1 day. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Last one is very easy, that is 1 week equals to 7 days. And you have to write the 7 days name in my comment section. Now we are going to discuss about month. It is very important that we need to know about the months. See, there are 12 months in a year. Means 12 months makes a year. What are the months' name? You know that very well, but again I am telling you, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So now it is November. So one more month we have to spend in 2020. Okay, so months with 31 days. See, here 12 months having different days, but usually we are used to do it that 1 month equals to 30 days, but it is not same for all months. Months with 31 days, month with 31 days. So some months having 31 days, some months having 30 days, and one month have sometime 28 days or 29 days also. So let us know the name of the months which have 31 days, like January, March, May, July, August, October and December. January, March, May, July, August, October, December. There are 7 months having 31 days. Also, there are 4 months having 30 days, like April, June, September and November. April, June, September and November, and 1 month, that is February, has 21, 29 or 28 days. So you need to remember these names. It is not easy to remember the number of days in each month, but we can do one thing. We can apply a tricks to remember the number of days in each month. Make a fist of both hands, or you can use one hand only. Here I have shown here one hand fist. See knuckles and valleys. You know that the high portion is knuckles and the valley means the deep portion, that is the valley. Consider the leftmost knuckles as January and move on as shown. Observe that the months that comes off on knuckles have 31 days and the months which comes in valleys have 30 days except February. So the knuckles part is 31 days and the valley is 30 days. So you have to start from the leftmost knuckle. Now, my dear students, let us know about year. See, the earth completes one round around the sun in 365 days and 6 hours. These 6 hours not counted in every year. In 4 years, the extra 6 hours add up to 1 day, like 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 hours equals to 24 hours. So 24 hours means 1 day. So this extra 1 day we add after 4 years. And after 4 years come leap year. So the year having 366 days is called leap year. So the one extra day we are getting in leap year, that is the extra 6 hours which we get from every year. So 1 year equals to 365 days, that is means a year means 365 days and a leap year means 366 days. And in leap year, February has 29 days in leap year, and in normal year means non-leap year, February has 28 days only. So, and one more thing is that leap year is a multiple of 4. First example is find whether the year 2020 is a leap year or not. So to find out any year is a leap year or not, what we have to do is we have to divide it by 4. If it is divisible by 4, then it's a leap year. Now how to know that a year is a divisible by 4 or not? You have to check that if you are getting any remainder, then it's not divisible by that number. So when we will not get any remainder, that means it's divisible by 4, so it's a leap year. Here you can see that I have divided 2020 by 4. See how I have divided. First 4 5s are 20. Then we have to bring down the next number 2. 4 zeros are 0. Again we have to bring subtract. So 2 and bring down the next number 0. So we are getting 20. 4 5s are 20. So as we are not getting any remainder, that means it is divisible by 4. So as 2020 is divisible by 4, so the year 2020 is a leap year. Example number 2. That is how many days are there in 2007. See, here we have to first check whether the given year is a leap year or not. If it is leap year, then it has 366 days, and if it is a non-leap year, then it has 365 days only. So, how to check a year is a leap year or not? We have to divide it by 4, and if it is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year, and if it is not divisible by 4, that means if we get any remainder, then it's a non-leap year. That means having 365 days. See, after division I have got a remainder 3. So it is not divisible by 4. So 2007 is not divisible by 4. So therefore total number, it is not a leap year. So total number of days in 2007 is 3. Total number of days in 2007 is 365 days. That means as it is a non-leap year, that's why it has 365 days only. Third example, how many number of days are there in February month of the year 1936? See, it is not easy to write the number of days. First of all, we have to check whether the year is a leap year or not. So, to find the number of days in February, we have to first check whether the year is a leap year or not. So, how to check a year is a leap year or not? We have to divide it by 4. Then we have to check whether we are getting a remainder or not. If we are getting remainder, that means the year is not divisible by 4. If we are not getting any remainder, then it is a leap year. So then it is divisible by 4, so it's a leap year. See, I have shown here the division. So from the division you can easily understand that there is no remainder, so the year 1936 is divisible by 4, so the year 1936 is a leap year. Therefore, total number of days in the month of February is 29, because February month having 29 days in leap year. This is our last question. See, here I have shown you that check whether the year 1981 is a leap year or not. So how to check it? We have to divide it by 4. If it is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year, and if it is not divisible by 4, then it's a non-leap year. So when we get any remainder, then it is not divisible by 4, so it's not a leap year. See, as the year is not divisible by 4, because we are getting 1 as a remainder, so it is not a leap year. So 1981 is not a leap year. So here I have shown you 4 different types of sums, and in 4 different types of sums I have shown you that how to check a year is a leap year or not by showing the division. So you have to do the divisions also. Now this is your homework, worksheet number 61, and 10 questions are there. And in question number 8, you have to show the process also, that how to check year is a leap year or not. This much only you have to do it, and you have to practice it. So thank you. Till then, bye bye.